Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing something super exciting, from grey to gorgeous. I know what you're thinking. Well, we are taking a simple grey sphere and transforming it into a stunning masterpiece. Till I get something else, I use my Yuan Spyro tablet for my art. It's special to me. It's responsive, precise, and sometimes I forget it has no screen. My hand-to-eye coordination is superb, I guess. And for this project, we are using Sketchbook for PC, which has an intuitive interface and all the brushes and tools we need to bring our sphere to life. I've been away from making art. I'm sure you can manage with any other apps out there. Mention in the comment section which apps you use for your digital art. Alright, our canvas is all set. Next, we will use the shape tool. I will quickly select a circle. Our circle is ready. Using the fill tool, I'll make the circle gray in color. Now our gray circle is set for more work. Here comes the fun part, shading. This is where we bring our sphere to life. Start with the mid-tones, then add your shadows and highlights. Remember, light is what creates depth. Imagine a light source hitting the sphere from the top left. That means our shadow will be on the bottom right. See how the sphere is already starting to pop. That's the magic of light and shadow. Next, we will blend those shades to create a smooth, realistic transition. Digital tools make this so easy. Just grab a soft brush or smudge tool and gently blend the edges. Layer your colors gradually, building up the depth. This is where patience pays off. To make our sphere look truly 3D, we need to ground it. Let's add a shadow beneath it. Notice how the shadow is darker closer to the sphere and fades as it moves away. That's perspective at work. It creates the illusion that the sphere is sitting on a surface, not floating in space. Now let's add some finishing touches. This is where the precision of the Yuan tablet and stylus really shines. I zoom in for more precision. I'm using a fine brush to add tiny highlights where the light hits the sphere the most. Then I'll add some subtle texture to give it a more realistic surface. See how these small details make a huge difference. And there you have it, a simple gray sphere transformed into a gorgeous, lifelike masterpiece. From flat and dull to full of depth and dimension. This is the power of digital art tools and techniques. Thanks so much for joining me on this creative journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow artists, and subscribe for more digital art tutorials. Until next time, keep creating, keep experimenting,